मैं तुम्हें क्वेश्चन एक बार समझा देता हूँ.
Okay.
Can we go to the question? Q3.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, this is from a statement from a bank. There are or any company where we have invoices, and the due dates are given. It should have been paid by 1st February, the first one.
Hmm.
1st February 2016, it should have been paid. Okay.
Okay.
Now the amount is 5,000. Amount paid is 5,000. Open balanced. मतलब balanced वहाँ पे लिखना था. Amount balanced लिखना था. But they have said open balanced. You just correct it. Amount balance.
Yeah.
Amount balance. And not open. Amount.
Okay.
Amount paid. Amount balanced.
Yeah.
So here there are two things to be checked. One, if the amount balance is 0, we have to call it paid.
Hmm.
E column, if it is 0, it is paid. Nothing to check
Yeah.
anything else.
Yeah.
And in case if it is not paid, there is some amount. It is not 0.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we have to go and check whether it is overdue or not.
Okay.
So for overdue, we have to compare with the today's date.
Hmm.
If the date given in the B column is greater than today's date, then it has to be overdue.
Okay.
Right? If you go to the answer, you'll see that everything is overdue.
Yeah, everything else is overdue except this one. I think 10th April and 1st Feb.
Uh, 10th April 2016. 10th April is because it is already paid.
Already paid, so there's no overdue. I think
Hmm.
1st Feb and 10th April is not overdue. Rest everything is overdue.
Overdue. Can we go there? Because they should give one more thing towards the closer. Can we see the answer once more?
Yeah.
They are saying that if it is less, then it has to be open or overdue. And then that's why we are getting overdue. Okay. See, what they're saying is if the date is less than today's date, so we will change and we'll also get the third answer there. See,
Hmm.
go to the question 3 and last option. Last option, change the date to 18 June 2025. Instead of 16, make it 25. So we will get an answer open here in this case
Okay.
because this is not yet overdue.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now we'll write the logic. We'll start with simple if equal to if, and since here it is nesting of ifs,
Yeah.
we cannot use the function box. We'll have to do it directly here only. We have to write the function.
Hmm.
So we'll put the first logic.
Okay. That is if the
If
amount paid
amount paid
is
is
equal.
to 0. Hmm.
Oh, 0. Yeah.
Amount paid नहीं, amount balance
Amount balance. Okay. Okay. Is equal to 0. Then,
paid. डबल
huh.
कोट्स में paid लिख दो.
If not, then not.
Now,
Huh.
now if not में मेरे को एक if और लगाना पड़ेगा because it has to check one more condition.
Hmm.
So I'll write if there again.
Okay.
Open the bracket. Now in this if, the logic is if the date is less than today's date. So I'll
Okay.
select the B4 cell.
Yeah.
Is this less than TODAY? Today, bracket open, bracket close. Are you, no, without bracket. Today, after today, you have to write bracket open, bracket close. Are you accustomed with this function?
Uh, no.
Okay,
Today.
I will explain. I'll explain. Don't worry. Close the bracket, put a
Oh,
comma.
I think today meaning I think I do know, but Like it's like today, as in they'll tell you the date. And like if I do equal to today, then I'll get the.
Yeah, today's date in a dynamic way.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Today's date is like 13th January. So tomorrow,
So
if
if
you
I
open the same Excel, it will become 14th
it'll
January.
become 14. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what. Yeah, I know that.
Okay, so now it is saying that the date is if less than today's date, then it is overdue.
Okay. So I'll give this and I'll write.
Overdue. Yeah, double quotes, overdue.
Okay.
और else कॉमा करो, then it is open. Still हमको उसको pursue नहीं करना है.
Oh, okay.
No, no, no. Open means we have to write the word open, not
Oh,
blank. The case is still open.
yeah.
Bracket close. Now you have closed for, yeah, you closed 2 times. It's fine.
Hmm.
ठीक है. चलो एंटर करो, देखते हैं काम बना क्या. गलती हो सकती है, then we'll figure out. नहीं होगा तो अच्छी बात. ठीक हो गया. नहीं हुआ.
Yeah. Okay.
समझ गया ना? You got the logic.
I made it nested if because we also want the if the today to
Yeah.
be less than that
Yes.
amount.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
So thank you friends for watching this video. वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर आप मुझसे यानी संजय सिंह से एक्सेल सीखना चाहते हैं तो हमने ये लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. आप उसको क्लिक करें और हमारी कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन करें. वहाँ से आप एक्सेल की क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और एक्सेल सीख सकते हैं. एक्सेल में एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं. एक्सेल के अलावा पावर बीआई, पावर क्वेरी की भी क्लासेस होती हैं. उन सबको आप ज्वाइन करके और उनको सीख सकते हैं और एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.